Hello, welcome back to Crochet with Ash. Today I am showing you how to do a moss stitch. First, we will chain even number of loops. I will make 24 chains. Chain loops. Now we will make a single crochet in fourth chain from the hook. 1, 2, 3, fourth. 1, 2, 3 and fourth. Single crochet in fourth chain loop. Insert, yarn over, make a loop, yarn over and pull through both the loops. Single crochet. There is a link for my video of single crochet, how to make single crochet, in the description. You can follow that. Then chain 1, skip the next chain, this one, and single crochet in the next chain. Again chain 1, skip the next chain, single crochet in the next to that one, chain 1, skip this one, single crochet, chain 1, miss this one and single crochet in next chain. Single crochet, chain 1, skip this chain and single crochet in the last chain. So this is your first row. Now make 2 chains and turn. Now single crochet in this space, chain space. There are chain spaces, as you can see. Now we are going to single crochet in those spaces. Single crochet, insert, pull up the loop, yarn over, pull up the loop through the 2 loops. Then again chain 1. Then in the space, chain space, insert, yarn over, pull up the loop, yarn over and pull through both the loops. Chain 1. Oops, I forgot. Chain 1, single crochet in chain space, chain 1, single crochet in chain space, chain 1, single crochet in chain space. You Keep on going on like this. This stitch is also called as granite stitch. At the end of every row, don't forget to make 2 chains and then turn. As you can see, I have done quite a few rows and this is how it looks. Looks nice, isn't it? Thank you for watching my video. See you soon.